Barca fans, the countdown is on. The new Camp Nou looks closer than ever, but the big question is, will it really be ready for fans by mid-September? From hybrid grass on the pitch to massive steel connections at the north goal, today we'll take you inside the latest progress and the crucial steps still holding things up. Let's start on the field, where hybrid grass installation is almost complete. Two huge machines are busy stitching natural grass with synthetic fibers, making sure the pitch is durable and ready for action. From up close, it looks nearly finished. But here's the catch. Everyone is still waiting on that first occupancy permit. No green light yet, though city crews removing a nearby bus stop suggests approval is just around the corner. Over at Goal Sud, action has finally restarted on the second cantilever. After weeks of silence, workers are laying down layers of rebar, setting up formwork, and preparing for massive concrete pours. This section links directly into the Danny Pardo curve, where scaffolding and formwork panels are everywhere. It's a hive of activity, and the push is on to seal this area quickly ahead of inspections. Let's peek inside. The permanent locker rooms are still raw concrete, divided into shower areas, massage zones, and a kitchen. But for the first phase, temporary dressing rooms are already being fitted with lockers and numbers. That means the team could realistically play here soon, even if not everything is finished. With concrete festivals still pouring at the north goal and final touches on entrances, it's all about racing to meet mid-September deadlines. Next up, the VIP rings. These areas are critical for Barca's finances, and you can see why. Workers are pouring super columns floor by floor, and walls are starting to divide up the future lounges. Inside, finishes are appearing. False ceilings with wood details, bar areas taking shape, and tunnels nearly ready. It's a big shift from bare concrete to something that actually looks like a hospitality space. Still, plenty left before fans can sip champagne here. At the north goal, the spotlight is on heavy steel. A giant crane is now connecting beams that lock the third cantilever into place, uniting it with the Goal Norte structure. Safety nets already stretch across half the area, and concrete pumps keep rolling in for the upper platforms. Trucks are in and out non-stop. This section is pure chaos, but in the best way. With each beam installed, the true scale of the stadium really comes alive. Down below, the diamond entrance is shaping up fast. Concrete bases are poured, rebar is in place, and formwork is rising. This is where away teams will enter straight from their buses, heading into dedicated corridors. Around the Goal Sud, new steel supports are up for ceramic slats that will finish the facade. And inspectors have clearly been walking through. Entrances look cleared, organized, and ready for official sign-off. So, to recap, hybrid grass stitched in, second cantilever back on track, VIP lounges taking shape, north goal steel locked in, diamond rising, and temporary locker rooms nearly ready. The only thing missing? That first occupancy permit. If it comes through this week, Camp Nou could reopen just in time for the Champions League clash against PSG. Now, it's all eyes on the inspectors. If you enjoyed this update, hit like and subscribe to Goat Sports'. Don't miss next week's visuals, because the closer we get, the faster the action moves.